Can you mix pine sol lemon fresh and Dawn dishwashing liquid soap? The answer is yes. So let's see how we can mix these two cleaning combo and clean. So this is our Dawn soap, and we are just going to pour. I'm gonna pour that in here. And this is our Pine Sol multi-surface cleaner lemon fresh, and we're gonna do 1/2 cup of that. Going to add 1 cup of water. I'm going to use that water to clean these in here and these as well. I'm just gonna mix this. We are going to pour this in our all-purpose spray bottle. Now we have our stain remover cleaning mixture that we are going to use.